It's here. It's here. It came. My deluxe box is here. And we're gonna unbox it. This video needs no introduction and I wanna get this up ASAP. So let's just go ahead and see what is in here. Now I did get the premium too, so when that comes in, I will do a separate unboxing. I don't have that shipping confirmation yet, so I have no idea when it's gonna get here. So this one will go up first, and then you'll get that one. So this is what it looks like. This is how big it is. The tissue paper, all that. The tissue paper is really cute. It's got like the Jeffree Star logo, and then it says "Love Me Not" all over it, which is really cute. Oh, okay, so pleasant surprise. I ordered a backup of my Candy Drip lip gloss, and I was saying in my previous video talking about the mystery boxes that usually they don't ship the same orders together. Like if you order an item like this and a mystery box, it's not gonna ship together, but it did this time, so I'm pleased. Okay, so this is the box. It's so pretty, look how big it is. All right, let's open it. I got red scissors to match. Come on. So this is what mine looks like. Let's just pull the first item out. This looks like a mirror. Oh yeah. Okay. Ow, I just hit myself in my eyelash. I don't know if you saw that.
Okay. Ow, I just hit myself.
Okay, so we got a mirror. I love this because it's all black. Ooh, I'm so excited. It looks almost like it has a purpley tint to it. This is cool. I don't know if this is one of the limited edition ones. I think it is. I'm excited because I actually gave my Halloween one away because I'm a nice person. And then I quickly realized after that I was sad that I gave it away. So, all right, let's keep going. I think I'm gonna be mad at this. Let's see. Are you kidding me? These were in every single one of the mystery boxes last time. I understand that mystery boxes are limited quantity, but you should be able to order like as many as you want, and if you get all of them and not get the same product every time. Okay, so now I'm kind of annoyed. This will definitely be going in a giveaway. Obviously, I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I get both boxes and see what I'm going to put in the giveaway. This is a great palette, but I already have one, and I already had like 3 of these in the previous one. So, I mean, like, it's exciting if you've never gotten a mystery box before. You don't have it, but I'm salty. All right, let's see if the other items can make up for it. All right, what's this? Looks like maybe another palette. I love the color of this packaging. Oh, a highlight palette. Skin Frost Pro palette. Let's open it. Ooh, okay, this is definitely for darker skin tones. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not. Oh, it's so beautiful. I feel like I could actually use this as a blush probably, and maybe even that as a highlight, and these would be cool eyeshadows. It's gorgeous, and I haven't tried this highlight formula, so I don't know if this is gonna be in the giveaway. Just stay tuned for that. In my second video, I will announce exactly what's gonna be in the giveaway, and on my Instagram, of course. That's pretty cool. Excited for that. Ooh, okay, we got the gloss. It's called Legends Only. Oh, cool. Okay, so it is like a nudish color. Oh, a nice nude gloss. That's pretty cool if you ask me. Now, this looks like a t-shirt. I ordered medium because I feel like his sizing is unisex, so it's a little bit big. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so this looks like the sweatshirts he released. So it has his, like, the logo with the heart for Valentine's Day. And on the back, it has all of the sweethearts. I think that's pretty cute, not gonna lie. And it actually looks like it'll fit me. That's exciting. Glad about that. But I'm kind of, like, wishing there's more makeup. Let's see. Oh, some more clothes. I'm not mad, but like I wanted some more makeup. All right, this is a hat, and honestly this is cute. I wear hats a lot, so I'm actually pretty excited for this. That's really cute. It's like cotton, and then it obviously has this logo and it's pink. That's pretty cute though. I like that. Ooh, okay. Ooh, this is a mystery. Okay. Ooh, the color of that looks really pretty. Can't focus, come on. Like, I think this is gonna be really pretty. So this is a, ooh, that's cool. Okay, so it's like a shimmery reddish pink. It looks like it has pink glitters in it. Now, I don't like metallic. It almost looks like it has orange in it too. Now, I don't wear metallic liquid lipstick, so this may go in the giveaway, so I'm not gonna swatch it. But this looks really cool. Not gonna lie. Okay. Happy with the mystery shade. Let's keep going. All right, and the last item in here is a pack of straws. They're green and it comes with a cleaner and I think 3 straws. I just gotta say immediately, let's see how many makeup products did we get. We got 4 makeup products and 4 like merch slash accessory items. I'm not mad about that, but I feel like if you think of it, it's Jeffree Star Cosmetics. You expect more, especially from what we've gotten in the mystery boxes before. You expect more makeup, right? Like if it was even 5 to 3, I would have appreciated that more. And with the mini breaker palette being in it again, honestly, I'm disappointed. And I don't think I wouldn't, if I knew what was in this box prior, I would not have gotten this size. But I'm still excited for the premium box. Sorry, my cat is playing with the tissue paper because I've just thrown everything over there. I am excited for the premium box. I hope he doesn't disappoint with that one. He did say, the reason why I went and got it later, which if you saw my previous video, you know, is because he said that it was like, you're gonna die. So I'm hoping there's another palette in there, one we haven't seen before. But honestly, like, no tea, no shade. I love Jeffree. I love his brand. And I do like the products that I got. Don't get me wrong. I just wish there was more makeup. And I think that's what the majority of people are going to say about this if they got the deluxe box. As long as this is, you know, if the standard deluxe box was 4 and 4, I think people are going to be more disappointed than excited, especially because one of the makeup products we got in every single mystery box last time. I'm not unhappy with the products. It was not what I expected. So let me know. Let me know how you feel about this box, if you like the products that I got, if I should be happy, if you think I should be happy, or if you think I should be disappointed. Let me know, and hopefully we're following up really soon with the premium box unboxing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sign off because I wanna edit this and get it up ASAP. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you love Jeffree Star and Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video where I do the premium unboxing. And stay tuned for the giveaway. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. And I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!